This is how to screen record on incognito mode. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, tap on your Google Chrome, then tap on those three dots on your top right corner, then new incognito, then go to search, then search for Chrome, enter a colon, then double slash, then flags, then tap on search. Then it will land you to this interface. Now on the search flags, search for incognito screenshot. You are going to see it there. Now it will bring this interface. Now you need to tap on that drop down menu, then you need to tap on enable. I know yours it is automatically set to default. Just need to tap on enable. As you can see, mine is enabled. That's the reason why I am able to record this screen. So just tap on enable and you will be able to record in incognito mode. So that's it guys, that's how to screen record on incognito. If you have found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.